The water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission, and consider buying a ticket to the show by pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon tech training releases. The global network of home builders is growing very fast, whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description and book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades of study. Talk to you soon. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like.